Iawo, Cadochi Kock, com Deporte.
El basquetbolista de 36 años, Kobe Bryant, logra otro éxito de su carrera. En el juego de ayer contra Atlanta Hawks, Kobe anotó 28 puntos para Lakers ganar 109 y logra anotar sus 32.001 puntos de su carrera. Kobe sigue Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Karl Malone y Michael Jordan como de 4 jugadores de NBA que anotado más de 32.000 puntos de su carrera de 19 años. Y ahora toma lugar el primer juego de Beach Tennis Internacional 24. El primer día del torneo de round robin es smooth. Tu juega toma lugar algún día resultado en la Open Dama, Dorili Suelo manta perde Renata Pafiadache 5-7. Ludven Bodar derrota Yami Romay 7-1. Den intermedio, Ruel de Vries derrota João Pereira 7-3. Den Masters, Bincho Manzur gana Giuseppe Aquilini 7-4. Den Advance Caballero, Armando Wester derrota Gianpaolo Caprotti 7-0. Para el brasileño no hay ambiente, está así. ¿Qué diferencia aquí en Aruba?
Difference is every year is growing up. Every Brazilians see the videos, see the other players, and they come to play, enjoy. Is the nice island, and it's my 5th time here, and I continue coming here to play and have fun. No? It's the best place to do that.
You're spreading the word in Brazil, spreading the word around to more people to come to Aruba.
Yes, of course. When we go back to Brazil, we talk about a lot about this tournament, no? And every year the Brazilians come here to
Let's
play.
talk about the level of the game. What category you're playing?
This year I'm not playing, but I'm pro. This year I have an injury. I'm here just to see the games and cheer for my friends, no?
And enjoy the sun from Aruba, the same thing like Brazil, and enjoy the sea, everything. No?
The girls, the sun, the beach, everything. It's
Everything.
good.
And
It's
having fun.
perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. All happy island. No?
The first year I played the advanced. I won the advanced, and the second year I played the pro. So it's very difficult here, but I had a great tournament, and now I want to have another tournament, a really good tournament.
In Brazil, I know Copacabana is big. It's a big it's a beach over there. You play every year over there, every day?
Yeah, because there is no winter in Brazil.
Like Aruba.
Yeah, I think it's like Aruba, and I play in Ipanema.
Ipanema, yeah.
Yeah, it's next to Copacabana, and I play with Vini. I practice with them, and it's very good for me. Like, yeah.
So you see the level is going up now, higher and higher.
Yeah. The level is growing up, and I think I'm getting better too. So,
The chances to win this tournament, how it is?
I'm sorry.
How is the chances to win this tournament this year?
It's
In the pro?
very, very difficult to win here because all the Italians are here, and the Italians are the best. But we are going to try. I have a good partner, and let's see what's going to happen.